Machine Sentry Next Generation.
Machine Sentry navigation is still going to be based around a hierarchy structure, in line with ISO standards. However, we are no longer limited to just 7 strict levels in the hierarchy. We can now have anywhere between 5 and 10 levels to our hierarchy, dependent on requirement, which gives us flexibility at every level. We have also introduced new hierarchy icons. So as a default, you will see this icon for site level, this icon for area levels, and once you get down to asset, component and point levels, you will see the coloured condition monitoring or schedule icons. The higher level icons can be adjusted within the edit pages. Simply go to the 3-dot menu here and click edit and adjust the icon in the top right hand corner of the pane. Any ability to edit in Machine Sentry is dependent on access rights for each user. We have also introduced new ways to filter the hierarchy to ease navigation, allowing multiple options to be queried at any time to further increase flexibility and user friendliness. As you move through the hierarchy, you will see the dashboards on the right adjusting dependent on the level you are at, but we will explain this further in a later video.
Machine Sentry Next Generation.